इस ग्राउंड भी कह सकते हैं आपको रिजेक्ट ही कर देते हैं आपने तो।
सर ये था ऑप्शन, आई अग्री जी।
तो ये जरा कुछ इसकी कोई वजाहत कहीं आ रही है?
सर may I please explain? May I please endeavor to answer this question?
66
and I'll take the next question.
66
जी आप ये पहले खत्म
मैं
करें।
आपको सर मैं अपना सबमिशन दे देता हूँ। So because my lord,
नहीं आप चलें बताएं जल्दी करें।
इसका इस तरह की अनोमली में माय लॉर्ड सेड कि क्या होता है माय लॉर्ड, this is so the basic requirement is that if you want to contest under a common election symbol like my lord said,
सिंबल को आप छोड़ दें, हम अभी पार्टी की वाबस्तगी की
you
बात
have
कर
to
रहे हैं।
have these two my lord, there are these two documents go hand in hand. One, a declaration, and two, party affiliation certificate. They must match. ये law में लिखा हुआ है।
They don't match.
If they don't match, so 67(3) says if they don't match, the only other legally recognized class is of independent, and then these candidates do.
ठीक है समझ गए।
ये मेरा सबमिशन है।
This is your reading of the provision.
This is my reading of the provision, and my humble submission that this is probably what the RO's logic was.
नहीं एक और इसमें भी हो सकता है ना
सर
कि अगर वो उनको नजरियाती का कैंडिडेट डिक्लेयर कर दें, एक पार्टी का कैंडिडेट डिक्लेयर कर दें, तो एक आसान रास्ता है इंडिपेंडेंट कर दो, मतलब आप आउट भी कर सकते। कैन यू आउट अ पर्सन आल्सो? नहीं सॉरी आपका कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, मैं आप क्या करना चाह रहे हो? आप इलेक्शन ही नहीं लड़ सकते हो
सर एज अ बिकॉज ये किसी के साथ भी नहीं किया गया। सो
ये इख्तियार है या नहीं?
सर मेरे नजर में ये आरओ के पास था बिकॉज ही कुड हैव देन द स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड द मोर सस्टेनेबल व्यू इज ट्रीट हिम एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट डिसएनफ्रैंचाइजिंग
ये आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
जी। बट ही कुड हैव बीन डिस्क्वालिफाइड बिकॉज ही, like ladyship has said, if we just go to the first, and my lord when these 81 come, my lord will see कि ये कोई consistent वो नहीं है। There's lots of nomination forms जिसमें the declaration part is blank. There's 13 of them at least जिसमें जो I belong to blank.
ये आखिर में से लिखा है verified on oath that the contents of the above affidavit are true and correct.
Yes.
So, या तो फिर इसकी कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं है या है कोई सिग्निफिकेंस?
सर उसमें इन्होंने एक the lawyerly thing, if you read it really carefully, it says I am at present, एक लिखा हुआ है I am at present in PTIN, but my view is कि this is an affidavit.
व्यू को छोड़ें, हम उसकी
आपसे
अपनी व्यू
एक सवाल उठता है यहाँ। चलें आपकी ये बात हमने मान ली,
ठीक है।
बात ये आती है कभी आप इन केसेस 81 में ऐसा था कि he gave a declaration, I belong to a particular party, one, and he also gave a certificate of a particular same party and did not withdraw it, and you declared that particular that returned candidate as an independent?
Lord, there are cases in which the statement in the nomination form says PTI, then and there is a PTI party affiliation certificate and a declaration.
And he did not
identify
एक मिनट, and there's a catch to it.
But then he withdraws.
No. आपसे जो पूछा जा रहा है प्लीज आप इस पे
जवाब देना
I'm
पहले।
sorry, maybe I
फिर से सुने। He gives a declaration. He gives a declaration that I belong to a particular party. He also gives a certificate of the same party that he is our candidate for this constituency.
ऐसे लोग हैं
And and he does not withdraw it, and you have still declared him as independent.
Sir,
ये दिखा देना।
सिकंदर साहब,
ये दो conditions वाले हैं,
सिकंदर साहब,
but then he withdraws.
मैंने आपसे एक सवाल पूछा है कि he does not withdraw and still you have declared him as an independent.
Can you take us through the chart and let's examine? कोई है
साथ विड्रॉल की जो मैं डेट पूछ रहा हूँ,
आप जवाब दे सकते हैं इसका या नहीं दे सकते हैं? जवाब तो दीजिए ना।
मैं इसका जवाब चार्ट से दूंगा। Because 81 है तो वो different
सिकंदर साहब,
because no one they have
आप अपने इनको बोलने ना सर साहब को के जरा जवाब।
सिकंदर साहब,
they have not sir एक सेकंड,
आपका जवाब इस चार्ट में है जो आपने खुद हमें दिया है।
जी।
लेट्स गो टू द चार्ट।
ठीक है सर।
इसमें सीरियल नंबर 12 देख लीजिए, सीरियल नंबर 12 पे और सीरियल नंबर 20 पे।
चार्ट पे जाने से पहले एक फिगर जरा नोट कर लें सिकंदर साहब प्लीज। यहाँ पे जस्टिस नईम, चार्ट पे जरा फिगर नोट कर लें। फर्स्ट पेज पे कॉलम में फिगर नोट करें जरा। मैंने भी वर्कआउट किया, आपने चार्ट दिया है 81 कैंडिडेट्स का जिनको इंडिपेंडेंट सिंबल मिले
जी।
इसमें जरा जो कॉलम है ना 6 कॉलम में आइए, statement and nomination form given in declaration and oath by the person nominated belong to which party। इसमें 81 में से 35 ने ये ब्लैंक रखा है
जी,
ये जरा नोट करें, नोट करें, सवाल पूछेंगे। अगर आगे चलें,
वो मैं दिखाऊंगा जी।
अगला कॉलम है 35 ने ब्लैंक लिखा, कुछ ने लिखा पीटीआई,
जी, बिल्कुल।
कुछ ने लिखा इंडिपेंडेंट,
बिल्कुल।
और 2 ने लिखा कि शैल बी प्रोवाइडेड एट द टाइम ऑफ सिंबल।
और 2 ने सर 2 टिकट दिए।
अगर आगे चलें प्लीज कंटिन्यू करें इसको। अगले कॉलम में आइए, अगले कॉलम में है सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ पार्टी एफिलिएशन अंडर सेक्शन 66 ऑफ द इलेक्शन एक्ट 2017। इसमें 81 में से 48 ने इसको नील रखा, 48 ने। अब आगे चलते हैं, अगले कॉलम में आइए, स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन एफिडेविट अकम्पनिंग सेक्शन 60 सर्टिफिकेट, ये 65 ने नील रखा। आगे चलें, रिटन एप्लीकेशन टू आरओ फॉर अलॉटमेंट ऑफ सिंबल टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन एज इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट, ये भी 65 ने कुछ नहीं लिखा, ब्लैंक।
यस।
फिर सिंबल 81 को इंडिपेंडेंट अलॉट हुए
जी।
तो ये मैनिफेस्ट नहीं करता कि पीटीआई के कैंडिडेट्स का नॉन सीरियस एटीट्यूड था इलेक्शन के दिन।
सर ये if I may not, can I
आगे
use the
queries का
word,
जवाब दे दें,
can I use the word confused at least, at the very least,
इसमें 12
and
सीरियल नंबर 12
self-contradictory? But sir, Mr. Justice, that is the answer to my question.
सिकंदर साहब आप
नंबर 12
तसल्ली रखें, आप एक एक सवाल का जवाब
मैंने देखे सीरियल नंबर 12 और 20 पे तो दोनों ही पीटीआई हैं, डिक्लेरेशन में भी पीटीआई है, टिकट भी पीटीआई का है
जी। और फिर आखिर में वो कंटेस्ट
नहीं, अगर एक ये जो 2 माय लॉर्ड ने जो जिक्र किया, दोनों अगर मैच कर रहे हैं
जी,
तो फिर आप उसको कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं सिंबल से, उसको हम पीटीआई क्यों ना तस्वर करें?
बात है ना।
ये सवाल है, जैसे 12 नंबर वाला है ना, 12 में तो 12 में उसमें आपने लिखा पीटीआई पीटीआई
बस हमें सिर्फ सिकंदर साहब
लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन भी है। देखिए 2 बातें ना, डिक्लेरेशन भी आ गया और सर्टिफिकेशन भी आ गया,
बिल्कुल।
तो इसको क्यों ना पीटीआई कैंडिडेट तस्वर किया जाए?
Sir, because अगले कॉलम में at serial number 1, this is my answer, sir. And I'm sorry if I'm.
ये आपका आंसर है, फिर आप सिंबल से कनेक्ट कर रहे हो ना इसको। नहीं, मगर इधर देखें, इधर उनके नॉमिनेशन पेपर में सर्टिफिकेट में कोई तजाद नहीं है, वाजे है।
But then they changed their position.
एक सेकंड ठहर तो जाइए ना, आप तसल्ली रखें ना।
Sorry, sorry.
वो चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो फिर पोजीशन आप चेंज कर रहे हैं। वो वाली आपकी बात सही है, जहां आप एक ये दे रहे हो, एक ये दे रहे हो। मैं क्या करूं, मैंने तुम्हें बचा लिया, मैंने इंडिपेंडेंट लिया, चलो भाई तुम बच गए। एक दूसरा है कि वो नॉमिनेशन पेपर भी लिख रहा है और सर्टिफिकेट भी ला रहा है उसी पार्टी का, जो भी पार्टी है, तो उसको आप उस पार्टी का क्यों नहीं तस्वुर कर रहे हैं? सिंबल एक अलग चीज है, समझने की कोशिश करें, वो एक अलग चीज है। आप उसको मिक्स अप कर रहे हैं बार बार। वो आप उस पर बेशक वो उसको आप सिंबल, आप चलें सिंबल भी दूसरा देते हैं, मगर उसको तस्वुर फिर भी किया जाएगा कि वो पीटीआई का है।
तो ये किसी को क्या मैथ करके हमें टोटल बता
आप
दें कि
समझे
वो
मेरी
कौन है
बात?
जिनका
आप
मैच
मेरी
हो रहा है,
बात
चीफ
आप
जस्टिस
समझ
साहब
गए?
कह
आप मेरी बात समझ
समझ
गए?
गया,
वो तो आप बार बार जाएंगे कि वो
Yes, my lord, all I have to say, मैं बार बार उधर ही जाऊंगा, but I've noted my lord's observation.
कोई हमें बस आइडेंटिफाई कर दे कितने।
मैं वापस
सिकंदर साहब, मैं अपने सवाल पे वापस आता हूँ सिकंदर, मैं अपने सवाल पे वापस आता हूँ कि आप पहले सीरियल नंबर 22 पे आ जाएं।
जी सर।
उसने थ्रू आउट अपने आप को पीटीआई का डिक्लेयर किया,
बिल्कुल।
उसने सर्टिफिकेट्स भी दिए,
बिल्कुल।
उसने विड्रॉल भी नहीं की।
जी।
आपने इसको अदर देन पीटीआई कैसे ट्रीट?
सर ये उसने रिटर्न विड्रॉल नहीं की,
ये
उसने
और एक
ओरली आके रिक्वेस्ट किया, ये उसका आंसर है।
सिकंदर, मेरा सवाल इससे जुड़ा हुआ है। मेरा सवाल जो आपसे कि 12 तारीख वाज द लास्ट डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल। इसके अलावा एक शख्स, एक पार्टी, देखिए एक सिस्टम
No,
होता है।
that's withdrawal as candidate.
सुन ले सर, एक सिस्टम होता है। एक पार्टी को आप कहते हैं कि ठीक है मैं आपकी तरफ से खड़ा हो रहा हूँ, पार्टी भी कोई और कैंडिडेट खड़ा नहीं करती। ये तो कल आप बिट्रे कर रहे हैं पार्टी को कि आप एन मौके पे कि जी मैं विड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ उससे। पार्टी के पास चांस भी नहीं है कि वो दूसरा कैंडिडेट सबमिट कर ले। सो एज फार आई एम कंसर्न, मेरे हिसाब से द कैंडिडेट हैज नो पावर टू विड्रॉ आफ्टर द डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल इज कंप्लीट। ही हैज नो पावर।
फिर सर हम उनको सारों को डिसफ्रैंचाइज कर देते
कोई
हैं।
और आपका जवाब हमने सुन लिया। आपका जवाब है जो मुझे
Yes.
क्लिक नहीं कर रहा।
Yes, ठीक है, I accept that.
ठीक है,
I accept
मगर
that.
आपका ये जवाब है।
मैंने जवाब
बस फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Thank you, sir. I'm most grateful
मेरे
for
सवाल का
allowing me.
जवाब दे दें प्लीज.
जी, जी.
What is the effect of your order of 22/12/23 on all of this? Because the withdrawal also takes place, the last date of filing is also 24 after your order. So some confusion was created which you didn't clarify at that point on your order of 22/12/23 when you said that because of the internal elections of the party they cannot now be allotted the symbol. So it does create some confusion that now that the party can't be given the symbol, how are these candidates to treat themselves? And hence, consequent to that, as it goes on, वो confusion चलती जाती है. So at what stage did you clarify this confusion, or rather I would say, why is it that you accepted the stance of all these people who maintained that they belong to a particular party throughout and said that they are independent? Because as I asked the other day, कि तेरा कौन से कहना party affiliation certificate ले आओ, was how could they bring it when the party could not contest the election? So there's no certificate that they understood to bring, and you didn't clarify it in any of your orders. You maintained that now we will treat you as independent. So having been part of the confusion, what is it that you're expecting from the candidates who are probably just as confused as you are?
My Lord, Ladyship, my response to that is that number
It
one.
starts on 22/12. So you see, उसके बाद confusion शुरू हो गई कि अगर पार्टी को नहीं मिला तो कैंडिडेट को क्या करना है, और कैंडिडेट वो सिंबल ले सकता है कि नहीं. उसके बाद आपका ऑर्डर आ गया कि जी नहीं ले सकता. तो इस दौरान ये सारा जो कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, ये उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखा जाएगा ना, कि इसको हम सेपरेट करके देखेंगे और उन पर बर्डन डाल देंगे फॉर देयर लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, और आपसे पूछेंगे कि आपने क्या किया.
As ECP, I can't provide legal advice.
You don't have to provide legal
a
advice.
particular political party. I have to remain
You declared them
objective.
independent.
And
एक सेकंड, आपने
ECP
इनको
allowed them to contest elections. There was the other option was that based on these contradictions, like my Lord is also observing, there could have been a harsher order perhaps. They were all allowed to contest.
Why would you go to the harsher order and not go back to the original form?
This is
Learned counsel.
and the original form ones बहुत कम है. मैं आपको मैथ्स करके
वो अलग बात है. That's on a factual premise.
एक दफा प्रिंसिपल तय हो गया.
सिकंदर साहब,
your conundrum or your problem
It is conundrum.
lay in section 240, because the PTI is not just one. You're not talking of a one-off candidate and going to the president for that. You're talking of a major level national party. Or does even not the election commission understand that about political parties? Obviously you do.
Yes.
So here is a major level national level political
जिनके बैंक
party.
के PTI वाले
On the opening day
PTI
of filing of nomination papers, you are saying you will not get this symbol. At the same time, you accept that the consequence, the effect of the final order of the Supreme Court on the 13th of January, which upheld your order, was not to eliminate PTI from the electoral fray. And that is what your position should be. Here is a national level political party. We, the Election Commission, do not absolutely intend to eliminate them from the electoral fray. But we made this order. We can't give them the election symbol. Here is a difficulty in applying the provisions of the Act, because 67(2) says one thing, 67(3) goes on a totally different premise. Conveniently you say, oh, there's just binary. You could have said, we at once go to the president, we make this order under section 240, we clarify that it is our order, we stand behind our order, that they can't get the election symbol, but absolutely we don't want to eliminate PTI from the electoral fray. Therefore, since this situation is not envisaged and it's going to create that difficulty, you should foresee that. You have to be proactive. The election program, your election program is kicking in. You should have said, we will give them quote unquote independent or non-party. I won't say independent because that creates the confusion. Non-party symbols, but we clarify that any candidate who files a nomination form of saying he belongs to PTI, he is a PTI candidate. You would have done that. Why did you do it?
सिकंदर साहब इसमें मैंने
सिकंदर साहब, इससे पहली बात एक चीज होती है कि आप खुद कर लें, ठीक है, हम आपसे पूछ सकते हैं क्यों नहीं। एक चीज है डिपेंडेंट। अब सेक्शन 240 में है, अगर सदर जवाब ना दें, सदर साहब कुछ और ही बात कर दें, नहीं एक आप प्लीज डोंट इंटरप्ट,
I'm sorry.
वो कोई और ही बात कर दें, मतलब ये एक तो होता है ना, किसी के पास इख्तियार है, आपने क्यों नहीं किया। एक है कि आप खत लिखो सदर को, फिर उनसे मशवरा लो, पता नहीं सदर साहब 6 दिन बाद मशवरा देते हैं नहीं देते हैं, इग्नोर कर देते हैं, क्या करते हैं हमें नहीं पता। हम देख चुके हैं सदर कभी कुछ नहीं भी करते हैं, ठीक है, कि ये अलग बात है। और एक और मफरूजा भी खड़ा हो सकता है कि देखिए सजा मिली पार्टी को क्योंकि इंटर पार्टी इलेक्शंस हुए नहीं एज अ कॉन्सिक्वेंस। अब या तो आप बल्ले का निशान किसी और को दे देते, फिर समझ आता है, वो आपने महफूज रखा हुआ है। तो अगर अब इंडिपेंडेंट भी बल्ले का निशान ले सकता है उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में, अगर वो कह रहा है मैं हूँ पीटीआई का, तो वो उसको आप इंडिपेंडेंट की तरह से भी बल्ले का निशान भी दे सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कोई दूसरा दें। आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? बिल्कुल। आप जो इसको बार बार टाई अप कर रहे हैं ना दोनों चीजों को साथ, मुझे वो टाई अप समझ नहीं आ रहा है। आप देखिए, अगर वो कोई फैसले की गलत तशरीह करने बैठे तो उसका तो कोई किसी के पास इलाज नहीं है, वो यही उसको मशवरा दे सकते हैं कि भाई किसी अच्छे वकील से करवा लो या किसी समझदार आदमी से करवा लो। वो एक तो ये बात है, या तो कोई फैसला कहा हो कि ये इसमें लिखा हो। आपके जहाँ तक फैसले हैं तो हर दिन सेटिसाइड भी हो जाते हैं, ऐसी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, कभी सस्टेन भी हो जाते हैं, हाई कोर्ट भी चले जाते हैं। तो अभी बात जो आ रही है असल बात कि जब एक शख्स जो कह रहा है, जो स्टैच्यू डिक्लेरेशन भी दे रहा है आपको और वो सर्टिफिकेट भी ला रहा है, मुझे ये या समझा दीजिए कि उसको आप पीटीआई का कैंडिडेट क्यों नहीं समझते। मतलब टेक्निकली अलग बात है, वो क्यों जाए दूसरी पार्टी ज्वाइन करे। एक तो है ना, किसी ने कर दिया मैं जाके ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ, या दो तजाद दे दिया, एक में स्टैच्यूटरी आ गया, एक में कुछ और उसने लिख दिया। ये मुझे जरा बात अभी तक समझ नहीं आ रही है।
इसमें मेरा बस वही सबमिशन है। I'm sorry to disappoint my lord.
ठीक है, फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं।
I'm sorry sir, I have been unable to assist my lord on that.
वकील साहब
That is my submission sir.
Fair enough,
With
fair enough.
respect.
You don't have to have an
वकील
answer.
साहब जरा हमें एक
Sorry,
बात,
sir.
हमें दो बातें बताएं,
Sir.
if I may follow on from my question.
Sir.
22/12/2023 को who was the president of Pakistan? Name him. Name him.
Ji, Mr. Arif Naqvi sir. Dr.
And
Arif.
Dr.
Alvi.
Oh, yeah, you got the name right. I think so. And was it a political government in the field or in office, or was it a caretaker government?
Caretaker government. my
And a
lord.
caretaker government is supposed to be neutral or partial?
Neutral. my
As neutral as you are,
lord. As neutral as I am.
as independent as you are,
As independent as I am.
as much lovers of democracy as you are,
Absolutely.
as much defenders of fair, independent elections as you are.
I don't defend the faith, my lord. I just do elections.
All
but
right.
Yes.
Your article says
Yes.
fair. Your article says fair. You can't run
चले
away.
आगे बढ़ते हैं ना।
सिकंदर साहब,
आप देखिए,
I think you understood.
हमने
I think you understood.
आपने देखिए, आप
I got the gist of
सिकंदर साहब अगर उन सदर साहब की अगर बात करें, एक सेकंड मुझे बात, जब उन सदर साहब की अगर बात करें, एक तो बिल्कुल वाज़ेह बात थी ना, उन्होंने कहा कि जी मेरा इख्तियार है इलेक्शन डेट देने का, किया इस्तेमाल उन्होंने इख्तियार नहीं किया। ये तो रिकॉर्डेड, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ये रिकॉर्डेड हिस्ट्री है। अब दूसरी बात है मफरूजे की, अगर हम भेजते तो वो करते, अगर उनका पास्ट रिकॉर्ड देके करें तो वो बैठ जाते, इसमें कोई फैसला नहीं करते। वो तो उनका, वो कहते मेरा इख्तियार था भाई, फिर तो डेट दे दो इलेक्शन की, हमें आपने क्यों जहमत दी, हर चीज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आना, हमने करवाया इलेक्शन, ये तो कोई बात तस्लीम करने के लिए तैयार ही नहीं है। वो हो जाता है 12 दिन में, बड़े बड़े पॉलिटिशियंस आई, बड़ी हुई, क्या इलेक्शन हुआ? आपका सदर है, पीटीआई का आदमी है, क्यों नहीं दे रहा इलेक्शन की डेट? मुझे आज तक दुनिया भर की बातें कर रहे हैं, सदर मोहतरम जो उस वक्त होते थे, जिसका आज तक किसी ने पब्लिक में आया है जवाब उनकी तरफ से। मगर देखिए ये बातें मफरूजों वाली बातें, इस केस पे फोकस करके थोड़ा खत्म करें ना, नहीं तो हम यहाँ बैठे रहेंगे till kingdom
As
come।
Makhdoom Sahab had also taken this position.
आप आगे बढ़ें।
My
Sikandar
focus
Sahab।
is on answering the case as pleaded and put up. I am respondent.
सिकंदर साहब,
You are election
सिकंदर
commission.
साहब,
You are not
सिकंदर साहब।
respondent. You are election
Sorry,
commission.
sorry.
ये जो आप
साहब,
बार बार
election
कह रहे
करवाना
हैं, we recognize the election commission as a constitutional body,
Yes, sir.
but merely conducting, holding elections is not enough. In a democracy,
I don't need this.
आप मेरा सवाल सुन ही नहीं रहे।
I beg your pardon, sir. I beg your pardon. I'm fully focused on what my lord is saying, Ji. I beg your pardon.
When we talk about democracy and we talk about elections, elections is that mechanism whereby the will of the people is expressed. If there is any question on the integrity of that electoral process, then where does the buck stop? The Election Commission of Pakistan. It cannot say that so and so lawyer made a mistake, so and so candidate made a mistake. Now coming back to this serial 22,
Ji.
how this particular candidate, did he acquire a seat in the assembly as a candidate of the political party or as an independent?
On serial number 22, my lord.
Serial number 12, 20,
as an
22,
22 पे आप आ जाएं।
As an independent, my lord.
एक second. Independent, how independent? He did not withdraw. And
He did not withdraw in writing. उसमें लिखा हुआ है मैंने ये KP में
What does that mean
Sir,
in writing?
I'll
some
explain.
form to withdraw?
I'll explain it, leadership. This was all happening on the 13th, and I am making this statement under instructions. I am an
चलिए,
external
आप
counsel.
अगर देखें जो क्वेश्चन माय लॉर्ड द चीफ जस्टिस ने पूछा आपसे, देखिए बात सिंपल सी है कि जो सिंबल है वो बात की बात है। यहाँ पे एक कॉन्सेप्ट जो मैं समझ रहा हूँ इस लॉ के तहत, बेसिकली पार्टी कंटेस्ट नहीं करती इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करती कैंडिडेट। पार्टी जस्ट प्रोवाइड सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एफिलिएशन टू दैट कैंडिडेट। पढ़े 67(2) पढ़े।
A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the commission to the political party under the provisions of chapter 12 and no other symbol.
अब इसमें नहीं लिखा कि वो सिंबल अलॉट किया जाएगा जो पार्टी का सिंबल है। इलेक्शन कमीशन शैल अलॉट अ सिंबल।
इसके बाद सबसेक्शन 3 भी है ना।
बात की बात उस सूरत में होगा कि अगर जिस पार्टी ने उसको सर्टिफिकेट दिया, अगर उस पार्टी का सिंबल होगा तो उसको कोई और नहीं मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा। सपोज वो नहीं है तो क्या वो सिंबल के बगैर लड़ेगा इलेक्शन? ये देखें, इलेक्शन कैंडिडेट लड़ता है, ये ज़हन में रख ले। आप सिर्फ इस वजह से उसको डिप्राइव कर रहे हैं कि चूंकि उस पार्टी से जिससे आप एफिलिएटेड है उसका सिंबल नहीं है, तो इसलिए आप भी जाएं।
बिकॉज सेक्शन में सर ये लिखा हुआ है,
सेक्शन में लिखा है कि आप देंगे उसको, आप सिंबल देंगे,
सॉल्व करें।
सिकंदर साहब, हो ये रहा है ना कि जस्ट इफ यू लुक एट द होल थिंग, I take you to be a constitutional body, as I already have mentioned. Article 218 says that you have to contest elections honestly, justly, fairly. It's a constitutional body. So you're faced with a problem that comes before you. There are nominations, and then you mix yourself with the fact that I cannot give him a symbol. I disenfranchise him totally from the election. Did it occur to ECP that the national party is going to be disenfranchised because you are mixing, not the court or anybody, you are mixing the fact that just if he's not having a symbol which is just for electoral convenience, nothing else, that would take away his nomination from the back. That, I mean, as I understand, that weighed on your minds at that time.
Mr. Sikandar,
Which I find very difficult to understand, a body which is a constitutional body.
And my lord, in a very, very lighter way, may I start by saying that in this case, as my lord Munib Akhtar, Mr. Justice Munib Akhtar had observed, my lord, it's the election commission which is always running to 2183, and it is the first case in which the appellates and the bench are relying on 82183
Rightly so.
and reminding us. This was a light comment, my lord, but factually correct.
I want to conclude this.
My lord, I will go back. Sir,
Sikandar Sahab,
Sikandar
once
Sahab,
again,
देखिए,
day before yesterday,
इस
I have said that we are here hearing the appeal under Article
185(3).
There are only 2 appeals before this court.
Absolutely, sir.
And nor a single matter of allotment of symbol or PTI is before us in these matters. 90% of the arguments and the questions relating to, I am astonished at how this is going on. What is the substance of the appeal and what is in issue? Respond on that. There is a judgment, 5-member judgment of the High Court.
My lord, मैंने ये बिल्कुल, I bow to what my lord has said. I bow to what my lord had said.
That is relevant.
My lord,
You have
it's
to
very
decide
relevant.
whether that judgment is correct or incorrect.
My lord, and I had submitted this on my last date of hearing, that very politely I had submitted that the ECP did satisfy 5 learned judges, and all the judgment is suspended. I don't contest that, but that is not being taken into consideration, that my actions and my decisions were not so absurd or fantastic that the 5 judges should have also then thrown me out, sir. They unanimously endorsed my decision too, and this is, and until now, with utmost respect, not one, it has not even been the endeavor of the appellant to open the impugned judgment. Here there is, the impugned judgment is the 5-member bench judgment. The CPLA says
इधर वापस आ जाए ना।
against judgment dated 25.
Mr. Sikandar,
you want us to,
Mr. Sikandar, this is a question of first impression earlier. We're expounding.
So, my lord, but इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं है कि-
We are at the apex court. We're expounding the constitution.
I
Don't tell us
bow-
about the 5-member bench. It's neither binding nor persuasive on us. We don't need to look at it.
ठीक है जी।
We need to look at the issue. We're expounding the constitution.
But
It's
the
a first
issue,
impression
my lord,
case.
all I'm saying
Have
is
some patience.
that-
Don't
sorry.
rush through the matters thinking that उन्होंने 5 member ने कह दिया तो सोच लें. There's a serious issue here. We want to understand
Fair enough.
that nominations filed by a political party they can't be simply disenfranchised just because you think a symbol cannot be given to them. ये बड़ी आसानी से आपने बड़ी जल्दी में dismiss कर दिया सारे question को, और आपने कहा क्योंकि symbol नहीं मिल सकता था हमने सोचा कि बस को independent कर दें, not realizing the impact of that, you see. And how,
Can I ask the question which is directly related to this?
इसका जवाब देना, आप कैसे सोच रहे थे, आप constitutional
I think-
body हैं,
जी,
इतना बड़ा सा फैसला कैसे कर
Sir,
लिया?
उनको, I think the बड़ा
You left
फैसला
it to
was
ROs. I mean, never sat as a body.
My humble submission is that the election commission saw the
चलो ये
solution
बता दें,
in
just adding to that,
these
ये बता दें कि when
contesting as
this problem
independents.
cropped up, was this taken up seriously by the Election Commission of Pakistan? Did you sit down and talk about it? And are there minutes to
But I
this?
can ask the Director
पूछें?
General Law.
Were there minutes? Did you deliberate on this question, or you left it to the ROs for this entire national election of the country?
No, sir. It was fixed for hearing. And
नहीं, आपने अपना डिसीजन कैसे लिया इस बात पे
With
कि
regard to-
सिंबल नहीं होगा तो इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाएगा? आपने फैसला किया ना, ईसीपी ने कहाँ बैठ के किया, दिखाए ना, कब बैठे, कब मीटिंग की इस बात पे?
जी सर, मैं लेट मी चेक द रिकॉर्ड जरूर.
बल्कि उससे पहले रिकॉर्ड
और
चेक
क्या
करने से
आपको
पहले
इतना बेसिक सवाल पूछ
रिकॉर्ड
रहे हैं?
चेक करने से पहले ये बता दें कि क्या आपके पास ये इख्तियार है कि आप किसी को इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर दें?
No, sir. It is for the RO. He has.
No,
to-
no, no,
there
not
are-
for the RO. It is for the candidate and the party. That's all. ये दो अफराद के दरमियान एग्रीमेंट है.
Then the
Who are you?
provision of 60.
Who are
Section
you?
63 will be redundant.
अच्छा चलें, सेक्शन 63 के हवाले से ये बता दें कि जब
67(3).
आप ऑल राइट इसके हवाले से ये बता दें कि जब कैंडिडेट ने आपको एक फॉर्म ए दिया हुआ है और आपकी चार्ट के मुताबिक वो स्टेटमेंट उसने एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टी एफिलिएशन दी है, उसके बाद उसने जो डिक्लेरेशन दी है वो भी उसने एक पार्टी एफिलिएशन दी है. सो देन व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ डिक्लेयरिंग हिम इंडिपेंडेंट, वेयर डू यू नॉट रिक्वायर एनी विड्रॉल फ्रॉम हिम? क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल दैट्स गिवन ऑन एन एफिडेविट ना, इट्स अ स्worn affidavit. उसने तो कहा I belong to a particular party, and आपने कहा कि नहीं, now you don't belong to a party, you are an independent candidate. So does your process require that candidate to be confronted or be asked to withdraw that affidavit, or that just stays there and creates further confusion on the matter because you're relying heavily on this affidavit?
आप ये जवाब बेहतर दे सकते हैं.
So you're relying heavily on this affidavit जो उसने पहले दिन जमा करा दिया कि मैं इस पार्टी से बिलोंग कर, उसके बाद आपने उससे नहीं कहा कि तुम ये विड्रॉ कर रहे हो या तुम ये वापस ले रहे हो, बट आपने कहा अब तुम इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए हो. सो देन
आप कैसे
प्रोसेस क्या है आपका? डोंट यू वांट टू नो? एक एफिडेविट वहां पड़ा हुआ है, वो नहीं कह रहा कि मैं दिखा दे कानून में ना जी. Showing us you're relying on the affidavits given, and then when you declare them independent, चले आपने कर दिया, but आप withdrawal नहीं मांगते कि जी तुम पहले बताओ कि are you going to withdraw this affiliation or are you going to stick to your affiliation? Because for at least speaking for myself, if you're not going to do all of that, then showing us his original form and showing us his statements are of no consequence. क्योंकि आपने तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं देखा ना, उस फॉर्म ए की अब क्या हैसियत है जिस पर उसने एफिडेविट दिया.
Leadership, may I refer to page 233 in just an endeavor to perhaps answer?
Which page?
In 233 of my concise statement.
Your concise
that would be
statement.
part 1, part 2.
उसका नंबर बता.
Part 2 of CMA 5840.
Okay.
Page 233.
Ali Bukhari, ये लेटर है.
That's right. Leadership, may I just start from the beginning at 218 and just show this
218?
set, perhaps?
देखिए अगर एक
Just endeavoring
अगर
to assist my
एक
lord.
मरतबा अगर हम प्रिंसिपल समझ लें, ये इंडिविजुअल के केस बाद में उसको
But
बताएंगे.
sir, because there
देखिए
three, four different kinds of approaches have been taken.
लेकिन सिंपल
Please
बात
मुझे ये दिखाने
जो
दें.
आपसे सिंपल बात पूछ रहे हैं, सिंपल बात ये है कि ये एग्रीमेंट पार्टी और कैंडिडेट के बीच में होता है कि वो इंडिपेंडेंट होगा या पार्टी एफिलेटेड होगी. पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि क्या आपको कानून के किस शिक के तहत ये इख्तियार हासिल है कि आप किसी को डिक्लेयर कर दें कि यू आर फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड यू आर इंडिपेंडेंट नंबर 1. दूसरा
मतलब 67(3) में आपने सोचा ना.
I take it my
आपकी यही
question is not
पोजीशन है ना.
going to be answered.
सिकंदर साहब,
I take it that my question is not going to be answered and doesn't require an answer.
वैसे कहते साहब ये तो
Because this is the third time I've asked the
Leadership,
same.
page
स्टक ऑन द
233 बता रहे थे आप उनके क्वेश्चन के जवाब.
218 से मैं शुरू करूं leadership.
नहीं, आप जो भी शुरू करें
नहीं उनकी पोजीशन.
इनके क्वेश्चन के जवाब दें.
मिस्टर सिकंदर, लेट मी सॉल्व दिस डिस्कशन. आपका पोजीशन ये है ना कि 67(3) में
मेरी
बाइनरी
position-
इफेक्ट से
मैं 67(3)
आप एक
पे
बाइनरी
issue
लेंथ से देख रहे हैं
मैं
सर,
binary
या
length
ये
से
है या
देखता
इधर है.
हूं. बिल्कुल.
और बस वो नहीं था तो ये हो गया, क्योंकि सिंबल नहीं था तो
I
आपने
do.
समझा इंडिपेंडेंट.
I do.
बस ठीक
For
है.
whatever it's worth,
बस सिर्फ
with
एक
utmost
सवाल का
respect,
जवाब नहीं
yes.
आया कि वो आपने जब ये सोचा सारा कुछ कब सोचा.
ठीक है जी.
वो जरा
I'll
बता
ask the Director General.
Was there ever a meeting? Because I want to know how the constitutional
Of course,
body
fair
of
enough.
Election Commission of Pakistan
enough.
works on such a big decision.
Can I just show the letter on page 233, which has sometimes been
ये सिकंदर साहब, sorry, before going to that letter, is this understanding correct that a major political party was excluded from the election process merely because the Election Commission of Pakistan grossly misinterpreted the judgment of this court?
My lord,
Is that understanding correct?
no, my lord. With utmost respect, my lord, my response is no. Respectfully, that understanding is not correct. That is not my understanding.
Your interpretation of that judgment, आप कहते हैं वो दुरुस्त था?
बिल्कुल जी.
So when the bench itself is telling you that your interpretation was wrong,
Right now, my lord, that those are observations. There's no judgment which has been issued,
आपसे
and there is a review pending against
देखिए
that
ऐसे
judgment.
करते
And
हैं,
I
there is a factual,
will not.
there's a factual issue. पहले जरा factual पे आ जाए. आपने जो लिस्ट दी है,
ये टेबल
जी जी जी, आपकी सारी बातें हम मान लेते हैं. ठीक है. इसमें 6 ऐसे हैं जिनने डिक्लेरेशन भी दी है और सर्टिफिकेट भी दी है, और उनने कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं दी.
बिल्कुल.
3 ऐसे हैं जिनने डिक्लेरेशन भी दी और सर्टिफिकेट भी दिया है. 7 आपने कहा है. those 3 if I may, सीरियल नंबर 2.
जी जी जी.
ये बाद में मुझे इसका जवाब देना. सीरियल नंबर 2, दिस इज अमजद अली खान. and then there is serial number 11 Asad Kaisar and serial number 12 Shahram Khan.
बिल्कुल.
ये सिर्फ बताएं जो आपने टिक मार्क किया, इज इट ओरल और इज इट रिटन?
जहां पे मैंने टिक मार्क किया है, there is a written letter from them along. This is what I want to answer at similar to page 233. एक ये प्लीज सर देख लें.
मैं
ये लेटर है वो.
देखिए 233 को मैं इसलिए नहीं देखूंगा क्योंकि उनके दोनों चीजें नहीं है. लॉ मैंडेट्स दैट दे शुड हैव अ डिक्लेरेशन.
CMA come and I'll show the letter to my lord.
द लॉ मैंडेट्स डिक्लेरेशन एंड सर्टिफिकेट.
That's right.
तो वो है 6.
Sir, I'm with you completely. I'm with my lord completely, and उसका the short the answer is जहाँ पे टिक हुआ हुआ है वहाँ पे मेरे पास राइटिंग में उससे कैंडिडेट का साइंड लेटर है.
एक चीज चले, हाँ, नाउ वी आर इनटू द 6. हम 3 को भी छोड़ देते हैं, आपने रिटर्न दे दिया. ये जो 6 हैं, इन 6 का वोट आपने काउंट किया व्हेन यू वर गिविंग रिजर्व्ड सीट्स? नो,
because they came as independents. They went.
ठीक, वो दूसरी बात. So it's a matter that these 6
all 81 है.
प्लीज, और 81 को छोड़ दें, हम आपके साथ हैं ना. हम इन 6 पे आ जाते हैं जिनने डिक्लेरेशन भी दी, सर्टिफिकेट भी दिया और उनने विड्रॉ नहीं किया. आपने उनको इंडिपेंडेंट किया और उनके वोट को शामिल नहीं किया.
That's right. बिल्कुल, my lord, that is absolutely factual.
केंद्र साहब, आपका जो चार्ट है, इसका जो कॉलम नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
मैं अपनी formulations, sir, at last night when I went back, I realized that I have not been able to even finish reading my formulations. Can I just first finish that and in the objective of moving on?
केंद्र साहब, ये चार्ट जो आपने दिया है, इसके अंदर अभी जो रेफर करा गया था कि नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म गिवन इन डिक्लेरेशन ऑन ओथ, इस कॉलम में जो ब्लैंक हैं वो 33 हैं, पीटीआई के 32 हैं, पीटीएन के 4 हैं और इंडिपेंडेंट 7 हैं, और जो कि उन्होंने कहा है कि अप्लाई फॉर सिंबल वो 3 हैं. ये टोटल 75 आउट ऑफ 81 होते हैं. इसके बराबर में जो कॉलम है वो सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ पार्टी एफिलिएशन अंडर सेक्शन 66. इसमें पीटीआई के जो सर्टिफिकेट्स इशू हैं वो 11 हैं और पीटीआई एन के 14 हैं, और दोनों के मुश्तरका जो पीटीआई और पीटीआई एन के वो 3 हैं.
जी, दो सर. My lords, please, and ladyship note that 2 candidates submitted 2 tickets. जी
31 कैंडिडेट जो हैं वो पीटीआई के, उन्होंने डिक्लेरेशन दिया हुआ है और 11 ने सर्टिफिकेट भी दिया हुआ है. इसी तरह से जो ब्लैंक है वो 33 हैं जिसने कोई पार्टी एफिलिएशन
दी है.
इस तरह के केसेस हैं. नंबर जो इसके अंदर आउट ऑफ, ये सिर्फ 75 की मैंने कैलकुलेशन की है. 81 6 मिसिंग होंगे इसके अंदर.
My lord, this is the position. I stand by this table because ये मैंने खुद से देख के बनाया है.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये कंफ्यूजन जो पैदा की ये कैंडिडेट्स ने खुद पैदा की.
सर, मैं तो यही कह रहा हूँ. Please allow me to. I will not. But by saying this, I will open something else. May I please just finish reading my formulations?
So you're not going to answer my question?
Ladyship,
I want to know, without a withdrawal, what is the effect of that affidavit?
My submission on that is that either the withdrawal was in writing or the candidate
The withdrawal in writings are all based on, if it's not this, it's that. There is no, unless you'll show us, चलें एक दो होंगे categoric withdrawals, एक दो हैं ना, but by and large तो एक ही किस्म का आपके पास फॉर्मेट आ रहा है. उस फॉर्म ए को हम क्या करेंगे? How do we treat that form A?
Ladyship, and now can I finish my answer? I'll answer. My lord, ladyship, my answer is the same. As far as withdrawal is concerned, there are. That's why I think it is necessary for the whole bench to go through that CMA.
आपके एंड legally पूछा है ना जी? Legally.
इतनी सी मुझे सिर्फ स्पेस दे दें कि I come to the punch line. I just want to reach my punch line.
Right, come to your punch.
Just the punch line. For whatever it's worth, my punch line. Thank you, ladyship.
Looks like you've been at the Shakespearean theatre earlier, and I like the antics and all that.
I can hold my...
No, go ahead.
Sir, this is...
It's pretty theatrical.
Take it as a compliment.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Ladyship, either there are express written withdrawals and formal requests by the candidate himself that he wishes to seek and seeks for allotment of a symbol and to become an independent. Those written applications are, some of them have ifs and buts in them, Ladyship, and some of them don't. Like the one at page 333 says, I submitted this in good faith, now I wish to withdraw it. Some of them say, it depends on what happens in the court, and there's ifs and buts in them. So these are the written ones, Ladyship. The ones jahan pe tick nahi laga hua, my instructions are that there was also formal withdrawal by the candidate himself, who went to the RO and made this statement, and as a result of that, his name appears in the Form 33 as an independent. Secondly, all of these candidates, I haven't heard any submission, and I stand subject to correction, in which the appellants have taken this position that we are actually PTI candidates, even though Form 33 says that we contested as independents, even though we could have only joined SIC in 3 days if we were independents. So I take that last action of theirs, because they are now seeking reserve seats because they are independents who joined SIC. This is their case. It's not my case. And Ladyship, I'm still in the midst of my punchline.
Abhi tak nahi aaya.
No, this is a long punchline, Ladyship.
It's a very long.
So, Ladyship, this is their case. It is not the appellant's case. This view, I am humbly and happily assisting the thoughts and the questions that are in the bench's mind, very rightly, on this aspect. But this aspect is not part of the, as Makhdoom Saab said, the case put up, which strictly in the world of 185.3 as a humble and junior ASC is confined to what they have pleaded and what then they have urged in their legal grounds. This is not a legal ground of the appellates. Secondly, in my humble submission, this position is destructive of the appellate's case. It destroys their case because you have to be an independent to join a political party and so as to be eligible for reserve seats. So if these candidates, still my lord, I'll just come to my lord, still if this position is, let the appellate at least come and elect then. Let him come and elect and say, how do I identify myself? So they identify themselves as, let me please finish.
Please finish.
They identify themselves as independents because they can't possibly identify themselves as anything else. If they are to be eligible, and I am saying this objectively, if they are to be eligible for reserve seats, they can't possibly go into this theory. It destroys their claim. Then I have a very straight, then I have a very simple defense. You are,
please,
sir,
let's not interrupt. Let's not interrupt.
I haven't
Let him
finished.
finish.
They cannot possibly claim to be independents who have joined a political party and on the basis thereof they seek reserve seats, and at the same time take this completely bizarre position, with utmost respect, that somehow based on a half of my declaration I am actually, it boggles my mind. As a lawyer, I'm saying it boggles my mind how these two are not mutually exclusive and destructive of each other, this position. And in my notes, I have no argument from the appellates on this. This is a position which, rightly so, has been identified. It's an anomaly, I will even say that, by the bench. But this is not their case. I'm not their counsel, but in my humble view, they can't possibly take this position, sir.
But I simply
How can
asked
they
you,
take-
Mr. Sikandar, I asked you a simple question.
Are they independents or are they not?
आपसे
How
मैंने
do
ये
they
नहीं
identify themselves?
आगे तो चले
Mr.
How do
Sikandar,
they, sir?
चलिए,
it
हम
is
समझ
very-
गए आपकी
नहीं,
बात।
आपकी बात आप लोग से
समझ गए।
We've understood your point. Have a glass of water. We've understood your point.
Get me some water.
सिकंदर प्लीज सिकंदर
Sir, not pausing.
Please let me finish.
Now you
Please,
finish.
sir,
Now you
देखिए,
answer.
मुझे भी प्लीज
अरे आप बात सुनिए ना,
समझिए
आप जो
ना।
बात फरमा रहे हैं कि आप ये जो नॉर्मली बात सुने, आप जो नॉर्मली इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, ये इंडिपेंडेंट उन्होंने नहीं अपने आप को
आपने
कहा।
किया।
That is a-
अरे बात
so-
सुनिए,
so that is a-
अरे बात सुनिए, उसका एक नतीजा क्या हुआ कि अपेलेंट नंबर 2 हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ SIC, आपने उसको इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर दिया। जब वो सुने, प्लीज सुने, जब वो इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर हो गया आपके कहने पे वो इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर हो गया, उसने कहा चलो भाई ECP ने मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर किया है, अब उस 3 डे पीरियड में मैं अपनी पार्टी ज्वाइन करता हूँ। 2 दिन पहले आप उस पर हंस रहे हैं कि ये किस तरह हो सकता है भाई, ये नॉर्मली which seems absurd on the face of it, आपने क्रिएट की। आपने उसको इंडिपेंडेंट कहा, उसकी बुनियाद पे उसने इलेक्शन लड़ा। लॉजिकली फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम दैट ही सेड आई एम जॉइनिंग माय ओन पार्टी। आप कह रहे हैं जी किस तरह हो सकता है, ये तो नॉर्मली
I take a sip because I was trying
Please,
to mission.
please go ahead. Have the whole bottle actually.
I'll be a different person.
Have the whole bottle.
While you're sipping, I just want to understand from you. I just want to understand कि आपने कहा है कि withdrawal जो उन्होंने दे दी वो ठीक है, हमने उसको ट्रीट कर लिया, उनको इंडिपेंडेंट कर दिया। जहाँ withdrawal नहीं आई वहाँ पे जो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म है फाइल हुआ उसकी कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं है for the purposes of ultimately deciding if they belong to a political party or if they are independent.
Ladyship,
Just because I still don't know what to do with this.
May I give my response?
Ji.
May I be allowed to give my response? Yes. Let's
Don't
see.
give a sermon and a
Let's-
speech. Just give a quick response.
Sir, I was making a legal submission as a counsel, and I think maybe I took 30-40 seconds and I didn't even finish my sentences. It was certainly.
It came to it.
I'll have water, sir. I think I'll have the water.
Mr. Abdul, बिकॉज जब आप उनको ये आप इस हैंडबुक को रेफर कर रहे थे और मैंने आपसे स्पेसिफिक सवाल पूछा था
beg your pardon,
कि
sir.
ये इलेक्शन सिंबल आपने 67(3) के तहत दिया है उनको,
जी
आपने कहा जी
जी मैं
वो 67(3) के ओपनिंग वर्ड्स पढ़े, हियर एंड आफ्टर कॉल्ड एन इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट। आपने किया, दिस इज योर केस नॉट हिज। जब उन्होंने ये केस किया और बाद में आपकी लीगल बेसिस पे उन्होंने कहा जी मैं अपनी पार्टी रिजॉइन कर रहा हूं, अब आप उनका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं। ये चेयरमैन किस तरह
सर ये देखें ना,
मुनासिब बात है
सर मैं
सिकंदर साहब
मैं ईसीटी की बात कर रहा हूँ।
सिकंदर देखिए इसमें पेज नंबर
अच्छी बात नहीं है।
पेज नंबर 2 ये जो
can I finish my last formulation?
Page number 2.
Reading my last formulation.
पेज नंबर 2 पे इनके
My Lord the Chief Justice.
इन साहब के जो डिक्लेरेशन है जरा सवाल
May
सुनिए
I
इसका।
read my last
सिकंदर
formulation?
प्लीज
I have a different way of doing things, but I like to hear counsel. I can make up my own mind. चले आप बता दें, because we are hearing here to hear your submissions. They have argued the case, adversarial system suggests you hear one side, you hear the other side, decide.
मैं भी यही मांग रहा हूँ
चलो आप अपना फॉर्मुलेशन खत्म करें, फिर हमारे सवाल है उनका जवाब दे दीजिए।
साहिबजादा साहब के लिए तो आपने कहा है कि उन्होंने कोई दिया ही नहीं ना सर्टिफिकेट, तो फिर इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे या नहीं होंगे उनके डिक्लेरेशन में लिखा हुआ है।
वो तो
नजरियाती का, तो नजरियाती भी आपको दिया था उन्होंने, अटैच तो नहीं है नजरियाती उसके साथ।
I'm sorry जी मैं आप
तो वो जवाब उसका यही बनता है ना। फिलहाल
नॉमिनेशन पेपर में वो कह रहा
इंडिपेंडेंट
है
डिक्लेयर किया है नहीं किया, वो तो खुद लिखा है इसके अंदर कि नजरियाती का सर्टिफिकेट अटैच कर रहा हूँ। आपने कहा नहीं था कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट उनके साथ।
सर उन्होंने देखें पहले उन्होंने
PTI का
कहा
सर्टिफिकेट
PTI alliance which we don't know what that is. There's no such thing.
पीटीआई के बाद जो डिक्लेरेशन है उसमें नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है ना।
Then his ticket is of PTI, and then that statement on oath which says section 66 says N, but there's no N ticket.
नहीं है ना, तो
नहीं है।
यही बात है ना इस वक्त। तो इस वक्त तो वो इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे ही नहीं होंगे, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द पार्टी एफिलिएशन टिकट वेदर ही प्रोवाइडेड सच टिकट और नॉट।
To support his declaration. नहीं
दूसरा इसमें क्लियर कीजिएगा कि इस वक्त वी हैव आस्क्ड सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस टू यू कि ये पर्संस दे वर कंटेस्टिंग द इलेक्शंस ऑन पीटीआई टिकट एंड दे नेवर विथड्रॉन देयर एफिलिएशन, बट एट द मोमेंट दे ऑल जॉइंड एसआईसी। तो अगर वो पीटीआई के थे तो फिर वो एसआईसी ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते थे।
यही तो मैंने इन माय सर्मन
अगर तो
थॉमस यही तो मैं पॉइंट कह रहा था कि you have to take your PTI jacket off.
Please listen. If we consider them the PTI candidate who contested the elections on PTI affiliation ticket, then how they joined SIC?
That's my submission.
No, but
At present, they are the candidate of SIC.
That is my submission. That is my submission.
So we cannot revert back to that position. If they are PTI, then obviously
Sir,
they cannot join
आपने मेरी position for whatever it's worth, you encapsulate.
No, there is a
requires clarification. That is why I'm asking to you. Then on the
That is, sir, that is my position.
Assist on this also.
My
This is
lord,
the legal position.
my lord, with the question that he's asking, there's one detail that's missing. You declared them as independent. They never took off the jacket of PTI and wore the jacket of SIC. In between comes you. You say you're independent.
I'll answer.
Faced with that situation,
I'll answer.
3 days would
Despite that,
jacketless.
Yes,
Sir, वो
Mansoor साहब की बात मैं इसको despite that, if they contested the election on PTI ticket, then what was the occasion to join SIC? Why they don't fight for their own rights?
सर मैं भी यही कह रहा हूँ।
देखिए अब आप
My lord, my last formulation. And then I'll just conclude.
many things are self-evident. Many things are self-evident.
Yes, sir.
It's not what you say or I say or third person says. We see a document, it speaks for itself. The one that's before me, like I continue to go back to the same thing. It's a contradictory document as I see it. Now,
I can't deny
whether a person should file a contradictory document, whether the job of the Election Commission is to resolve the contradiction, I don't know. But let's stick on the documents themselves. And where is the declaration I'm talking about? Person says, here's my, on oath I say I belong to Nazariati, and attaches a certificate of somebody else.
Yes.
So I don't know how you cannot call that a contradiction. It is a contradiction,
I call it a contradiction.
Factual contradiction.
Yes.
Now the question is, how should you attend to it? That's another matter. But one should not go beyond the document itself. So it says for what it is, whatever you want to make of it, make of it.
I bow to my lord's
No, I'm just saying that now you give me your submission. वो तो हम डॉक्यूमेंट देख लेंगे, वो हमारे सामने कोई मसला नहीं है। इसमें आप चाहे अगर आप इसको कहें नहीं ये नजरियाती का नहीं है, ये उसका है, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि डॉक्यूमेंट होता है ना, अब क्या हम करें उसको।
My lord, can I leave it as having brought all of this to my lords, this august
ठीक है, हम देख
bench's
लेंगे उसको,
notice?
समझ लेंगे,
I
कोशिश
have
करेंगे।
taken my lords through my understanding
अगर
of
एक
it.
बात आपकी वजन
And
देखिए,
yes, I think I haven't been able to satisfy my lords on
नहीं, how
every
do you
single,
know?
but that is, I don't actually, I just have a.
Thank you.
Yes, I don't.
Sir,
I still live
we have
in
moved,
hope.
We are moved ahead where people are bewildered by what a bench is thinking.
आइए जरा
चले आगे बढ़े।
Sir, last formula. Sir, अब मैं सिर्फ last formulation दूंगा.
सिकंदर,
And
last
then
से
I will
पहले-
go to
सिकंदर, last से
actually
पहले- सिकंदर-
give my submission on 51 and 104.
सिकंदर,
If I may.
लास्ट से पहले एक क्लैरिफिकेशन थोड़ी सी।
Sir.
देखिए फॉर्म 33 आप बनाते हैं
जी.
ठीक, किस बुनियाद पे बनाते हैं कि आपके पास
Validly nominated candidates जो रह गए हैं मैं उनको उस लिस्ट में
कॉल
डाल
मैं कर रहा हूँ, आप नहीं, सो मुझे करने दे। आप देखें आपके सामने नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स होते हैं कैंडिडेट्स के, आप सिर्फ देखते हैं कि जिसके साथ एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट है, आप फॉर्म 33 में लिखते हैं कि बिलोंग टू दिस पार्टी। जिसके पास सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है आप लिख देते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट। ये फॉर्म 33 आप ही बनाते हैं ना, तो आपने उनके लिए लिख दिया।
उससे एक चीज पहले होती है, मैं प्लीज
जी बताएं।
इससे एक स्टेप पहले ये होता है that the candidate in the normal course applies for a symbol. So, and there is a whole provision which regulates it. So, जिस तरह उसने शटलकॉक मांगा तो सर कोई प्रोसीडिंग्स हुई ना, उन्होंने कहा, चेयरमैन साहब ने कहा कि मुझे शटलकॉक दे दें एज इंडिपेंडेंट विद इफ्स एंड बट्स कंसीडर्ड. उस शटलकॉक was not available. The proceedings under the act took place.
I will interrupt you just here. चलें ये भी आपकी बात मान लेते हैं, but how does it get he gets de-affiliated? That is the point.
वो फिर
आप इसको
I rely on that section. Then I only rely on that section and that's my position.
क्लियर हो गया आपकी।
Sir, formulation, very last one, it's a straightforward one and more just for the notice of the court. It's on page 16, the very last page of the concise statement, sir. CMA 5840, part 1, page 16.
जी, number 7 formulation.
Number 7, sir.
554.
Without prejudice to the formulations 1 to 6, it is appropriate to bring to the notice of this court that Article 3, Chapter 1 of the Constitution of SIC, appended with this concise statement, restricts membership of SIC to only adult Muslims and places further 3 conditions of a like nature to membership. The conditions in the said Article 3 of SIC's Constitution are violated.
First read the
Bilkul, sir. It's at page 279 of part 2 of my concise statement, my lord.
Is this something you would see in the normal course when giving reserved seats?
No.
Is this relevant or is this for them to see
as I
and they
said-
can then be
Leadership, मैंने-
questioned on why they're going against the thing, but
इसीलिए मैंने
इसको
कहा-
आपने formulation जो
सिकंदर
बनाई है
साहब।
इसकी legal significance बता।
सिकंदर साहब
पहले पढ़ लेते हैं फिर आप उसकी
this is
significance
very
बता दें हमें।
pertinent.
Page 279.
Second, Sikandar Saab, what it's very pertinent, as our ladyship has stated, and we were informed yesterday that even JUIF has a similar clause. But did you allocate reserve seats to JUIF?
नहीं, एक सेकंड ठहरिए, ये जो बात नहीं, एक जो बात है, अगर JUI की बात है तो वो डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाइए, इनकी बात है ये डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाइए। बगैर डॉक्यूमेंट देखे मैं कम से कम मैं तो नहीं मानता हूँ।
मैं सिर्फ ये पढ़ देता हूँ।
हाँ, फिर जिसको दिखाना है JUI वाला डॉक्यूमेंट वो दिखा देंगे हमें। पहले आप हमें ये वाला तो पढ़ने दें ना, एक आगे तो पढ़े हम
मैं तो
लोग।
पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ।
ठीक है, आप पढ़ दें, फिर आगे JUI का देख लेंगे, ये दिखा देंगे हमें।
आपने इसलिए तो डिप्राइव नहीं किया ना उनको नॉन मुस्लिम।
चले आप दिखा दें।
And sir, देखिए, with utmost respect, my formulation starts with the sentence.
अब जरा पढ़
I'm
दें।
bringing it to your notice.
फिर आप एक
And
और,
sir,
आप can you
loses
finish
its
reading it?
significance because you have not denied them the non-Muslim seats on the basis of their
No, I
constitution.
haven't.
तो वो तो इशू ही नहीं है ना,
बिल्कुल
वो मुसलमान है या नहीं है वो अभी सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है।
ये आइन कब का है, ये पार्टी कब से रजिस्टर्ड है, आपको अब होश आई है। I mean,
आप जरा can you please read it?
Sir, can I just read it, please?
No,
Please read
I'm
it.
sorry, but is election commission standing before us to score?
I want him to read it. Can you please read
आप
it?
पहले बताएं,
सिकंदर
साहब
साहब।
बताइए कब से ये पार्टी आपके पास
भाई
रजिस्टर्ड है?
पढ़ तो देना प्लीज।
रिकॉर्ड से बता सकते
ये
हैं क्योंकि
रिकॉर्ड से बता सकते हैं।
मगर ये आपका ग्राउंड ही नहीं उनको डिप्राइव
आपने ना
करने
उनको
का।
डिलिस्ट किया ना।
Can I just read it and move on?
reading that?
Can I just please read it and move on?
लेकिन सिकंदर साहब जी, सिकंदर साहब, ये बड़े पर्टिनेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं.
इसका लीगल
This raises-
सिग्निफिकेंस बताएं ना
देखिए
कि before you
सिकंदर
read-
साहब,
Sir, in a matter
So, एक
where,
second.
with utmost respect, then I want to respond.
Sikandar
In
Saab,
a matter where we are in 185.3 and I am answering
I don't know what you're going to say till
Sir,
I read a document.
Sir, but I want to respond to
Even
these
then,
questions, sir,
185.3
very quickly.
may be-
In a matter, my lord, in which
please.
I am in, please let me at least finish one sentence. I beg the court. Sir, no, I want to finish my sentence.
This was not the ground.
Sir, please.
High court. High court ने भी ये
नहीं
किया
है
है.
सर, मैं सिर्फ एक लाइन पढ़ दूं और आई मूव ऑन. अगर आप मुझे नहीं चाहते हैं कि मैं नहीं पढ़ूं, I'll go by whatever the honorable chief justice of the
पढ़ देंगे,
majority
बस
says
significance
and I'll
नहीं है.
move on, sir. But may I just say that ये जो objection आ रहा है, sir,
If before I see the relevance of
I know,
something-
my
एक
lord
second,
always
can I
says this.
Finish my sentence. Before I see the relevance or irrelevance of something, I need to understand it. And
I
the only
bow-
way,
I bow
I have
to
no
my lord.
magical way of understanding anything till I read the document. And then I may come to the conclusion it is completely irrelevant. But can you please, for my benefit,
and
read it?
throughout this hearing, I've been making this error where I tell myself that please read
Please
the
now
whole
read
thing.
it. खत्म करें, आगे
Sir,
बढ़ें,
पढ़ दें,
जल्दी
please.
जल्दी करें.
Sir, बस पढ़ दें, मैं I'm just going to close the book and move on.
कौन सा पेज पढ़ना चाहते
Sir,
हैं?
ये है page 279 of the concise statement CM 5840, page
It's
24279.
already on the record. No?
जी, जी, it
We have
is.
even considered documents given across the bar. जी.
बाब अव्वल
मैं भी यही
दफा
कह रहा
1 दफा 1 सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल दफा 2 मरकजी दफ्तर लाहौर दफा 3
कौन
रुकनियत
सी शेख पूरा ना पढ़ें प्लीज.
जी सर
नहीं, यहाँ से पढ़ें प्लीज.
जी सर
और पढ़ दो भाई.
अहलियत मेंबर पाकिस्तान का हर बालिग मुसलमान मर्द या औरत रुकनियत इख्तियार कर सकता है बशर्ते कि वो मुंदरज झेल शराइत पूरी करता हो. कुरान और सुन्नत की बालादस्ती को दो कौमी नजरिया पर यकीन रखता हो और
मुझे
पाकिस्तान
समझ नहीं आ रही कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हैं आप ये चीजें.
सर, ये
Under the box.
पेंसिल का बॉक्स बना हुआ है.
जी अच्छा ठीक है, सॉरी आई मिस्ड दैट.
कुरान और सुन्नत की बालादस्ती और दो कौमी नजरिया पर यकीन रखता हो और पाकिस्तान का वफादार हो. और
इधर तो लिखा हुआ है मर्द या औरत.
जी मर्द हो
So I
जाए.
only said basically male, female
मुसलमान
Muslims are
मर्द
fine
हैं.
and everyone else is out.
ओके जी ओके जी.
और बराज मुसलमानों के मुंसलिक और अकीदे से मुतफिक हो और मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ख़त्म तहफ़्फ़ुज़ और निज़ाम मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के नफाज के लिए कल्बी और ज़हनी रुझान रखता हो. शरीयत से इनफरादी और इज्तिमाई कानून पर अमल करने से गुरेज न कर और हत्ता मकदूर इस्लाम के बुनियादी अहकामात पर अमल पैरा हो. इस्लामी तालीमात की रोशनी में पेश करदा बंदी असबियत इलाकायत और नस्ली इम्तियाज से पाक हो. सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल के मंशूर और दस्तूर की पाबंदी का आहद करते हुए करता बस. ओके.
This is the clause.
So do you look at this for all parties before giving them any reserved seats? Is this something that you do for everybody?
No, I don't.
So then why are you relying on it for them?
I am relying on it now because as a council, it came to me that I should check their constitution. I came across this provision. It seems very relevant to bring
Did
to the
you check
notice.
the constitution
Ladyship,
of
please,
any
let me-
other
I've
parties?
already answered no. I said emphatically no, I did not, madam. Let me please finish my sentence. So I, as a lawyer, asked for it. I came across it. I considered it relevant to bring it to the notice of this court. I considered it pertinent.
All right,
as a
we've
counsel,
understood that.
let me
आपने
finish.
नहीं,
Let me
एक
finish.
second ना,
Again,
you
this
want
was
me
not
to
allowed-
make a
I'm not allowed to
Please
answer
listen
your
to me.
काउंसिल
You
को
want
खत्म तो
me-
करने
My
दें.
ladyship, I'm not being allowed to answer
You
my
are,
question.
you are. I am paying attention.
ladies
I
are paying
am.
attention.
Let me just say, if you want me to look at this document
I don't want
and
you to look
read
at it
this
anymore.
document,
I submit-
I want to
brought
know
it to
कि
ladyship
और
notice.
सबके देखे हैं कि
नहीं
मैं बस
देखे,
एक की
बिल्कुल
सिलेक्टिव
नहीं
देख रही हूँ और
बिल्कुल
बाकी
नहीं
इग्नोर
देखे,
कर रही
मैंने नहीं
हूँ.
देखे, मैंने नहीं देखे.
तो फिर मैं ये क्यों देख रही हूँ?
ना देखें आप.
तो फिर आप इस पे इतना
I
जोर
have
क्यों
brought
लगा
it to
रहे
the
हैं?
notice of the entire bench.
क्यों लाए हैं
that there
notice
is-
पे without doing the complete work?
Ladyship,
ठीक है,
यहाँ पे, नहीं, sir, I want to make a statement.
Let me come to your rescue,
Sir,
Learned
I
Counsel.
have-
It did make effect on me when I read this.
Yes.
So you've made your point. Please
So,
move
I'll
on.
move on.
Please move on to
Ajay,
your
sir,
next
I won't-
submission.
Mr. I don't know relevance or irrelevance. Probably on the irrelevant part is that you should chano be in every memorandum and see if it conforms to Pakistan's constitution. Okay. The other thing is a person is now claiming a right. Two rights they are claiming. One are seats for women. Suppose a political party says no women allowed in a political party. In my opinion, that would become a relevant fact.
Yes.
People may disagree.
Yes.
Another party may say, fine, very good, we only want Christians, we only want Muslims, we want... But then you can't claim, in my opinion, another seat because you are in violation of your constitution, because that will be a contradiction in terms. To that extent, I would definitely, and you know, when we talk about inclusivity, this is very, very, very important. And problems of Pakistan is when we forget what the constitution says, what this country means, what this flag means. Is it all irrelevant to just focus on something? We have to push. I mean, if we are going with a larger thing, then this is even larger than the larger thing.
We appreciate your...
अब आगे बढ़ें.
आप आगे बढ़ें. आप अपने submissions करें.
My Lord, now I come to formulation number 1, and very, very quickly, I'll be quick. May I read 51, and I will read section 51 without saying anything, and section 104, and then I will give my section. I'll read Article 51, my Lord, and then I will read section 104, and then I'll substantiate my formulation number 1. मानो मैंने अभी तक बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा है. मैंने एक दफा भी नहीं पढ़ा सर. Sir, since it is common ground that the constitutional provisions regulating allocation of reserved seats to women and non-Muslims, the same process, constitutional scheme and principles will apply. I am going to, since it's all been read many times, I seek my Lord's leave to just read 51DE. I'm going to read 51DE and section 104, and then I'll make my submissions. And I can read any other provision, of course, that my Lords wish.
You don't want to read E?
I don't want to. I want to read, sir, E first. G. Because there's a point I want to make. Members to the seats reserved for non-Muslims shall be elected in accordance with law through proportional representation system of political parties' lists of candidates on the basis of total number of general seats won by each political party in the National Assembly. This is the principal clause, and it's followed by a proviso. Provided that for the purpose of this paragraph, the total number of general seats won by a political party shall include the independent returned candidate or candidates who may duly join such political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazette of the names of the returned candidates. Now, my Lord, I will read section 104 and I'll make cumulative submissions on both. Section 104 of the Elections Act now, my Lord, with my Lord's leave. I'm going to read the whole section, my Lord, all 7 subsections. 8. For the purpose, is it before all, my Lord? For the purpose of election to seats reserved for women and non-Muslims in an assembly, comma, the political parties contesting election for such seats shall, within the period fixed by the Commission for submission of nomination papers, file separate lists of their candidates in order of priority for seats reserved for women and non-Muslims with the Commission or as it may direct with the Provincial Election Commissioner or other authorized officer of the Commission, who shall forthwith cause such list to be published for the information of the public, provided that the list submitted by a political party shall not be subject to change or alteration either in the order of priority or through addition of new names in the list or omission of any name after expiry of the date of the submission of nomination papers. 2. The party's list referred to in subsection 1 may contain as many names of additional candidates as a political party may deem necessary for contesting general seats reserved for women and non-Muslims, to provide for any disqualification of candidates during scrutiny of nomination papers or for filling of any vacant seats during the term of an assembly. 3. A candidate to a seat reserved for women or non-Muslims shall file the nomination papers on the form on or before the last date fixed for filing nomination papers for the election, and the nomination papers shall, as nearly as possible, be scrutinized in the same manner as nomination papers of candidates on general seats are scrutinized under section 62. 4. If at any time the party list is exhausted, the political party may submit a name for any vacancy for which may occur thereafter, and the provisions of subsections 1, 2, and 3 shall, as nearly as possible, apply to fill such vacancy. 5. Where a seat reserved for women or non-Muslims in an assembly falls vacant as a result of death, resignation, or disqualification of a member, it shall be filled in by the next person in order of precedence from the party's list of candidates submitted to the Commission under subsection 1. 7. A candidate contesting election on a seat reserved for women or non-Muslims shall, along with his nomination papers and its annexures, submit to the returning officer appointed by the Commission in this behalf a copy of the party's list of candidates, political party for such seats, declaration and statement in support of the nomination, and proof of deposit of fee required for filing nomination papers. 8. Where there is an equality of share on reserved seats between two or more political parties, the returning officer shall declare the returned candidate by drawing of lots. Now, my lord, may I return
miss
to...
it, or did you skip 6?
6 आपने नहीं पढ़ा.
I was thinking I had, my lord, in my... I'll read it. I beg your pardon. I suspected I had missed it. Before notifying the name of the next person in order of priority from the party list, such person shall submit a declaration on oath that since the filing of his nomination paper, he has not become subject to any disqualification contained in Article 63.
Then, sir, kindly read explanation to Rule 94 as well. Don't skip that.
Okay, sir.
Explanation to Rule 94 of the Rules of 2017, Chapter 6. Go to the direct explanation attached with Rule 94.
For the purposes of this rule, the expression political party means a political party to which a symbol has been allocated by the Commission.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, now may I come back to E? And I've read everything, so now I will make my humble...
Is this explanation is not in conflict with the definition provided in section 2 of the Act?
I beg your pardon, sir, I didn't hear.
क्या ये जो explanation है, ये Act में section 2 में दिए हुए party definition के against नहीं है?
May I answer this after I've made my... I just want to give... मैंने अभी एक section पढ़ा है बगैर किसी उसके...
उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, बाद में कर.
Oh, grateful, sir. Grateful, sir.
मैं कहा note कर दे सर.
मध्यम आवाजों को भी तवज्जो दीजिए.
जरूर sir. Sir, I've been endeavoring to answer at least. I don't know what the score is, but anyway. Sir, E. Sir, E.
E तो पढ़ लिया आपने.
जी, अब मैं अपने submissions दे रहा हूँ. Paragraph E is followed by a proviso. In my humble submission, it is a classic proviso. the classic function of a proviso is to either include or exclude something which appears to, or on a reading of the principal clause, is excluded or included. So it gives a carve out in a positive or a negative sense. That's exactly what it does. This one is my humble submission, number one. Number two, just for argument's sake, my lords, please now again read the principal clause with me, and for this moment only assume there is no proviso. So we get the sense of the principal clause, and then we'll figure out what the carve out is, because this is what is happening. So my lord, I read E as if there is no proviso. The members to the seats reserved for non-Muslims shall be elected in accordance with law through proportional representation system of political parties' lists of candidates on the basis of total number of general seats won by each political party in the National Assembly. My respectful submission is that just from the principal clause alone, right now I'm pretending the proviso doesn't exist. That the expressions secure and won are clearly intended to be used interchangeably. I read E because it's just clearer, but my humble submission is that the expression secure in D also means won. To my mind, my lord, one indicates winning a general seat by the political party which is the claimant of reserve seats on its own steam, to which something is to be added in the proviso. The principal clause on reading as if the proviso doesn't exist would bar everything else, and if it wasn't there, then reserve seats would be allotted only to political parties which participated in the election and were present in the relevant assembly. There are 5 relevant assemblies, the National Assembly and the 4 provincial assemblies. So wherever you claim a reserve seat, you should have presence. You should have won a seat. The appellant does not meet this condition, admittedly. Now, my lords, we read it again as a proviso, as a principal clause with a proviso, and the proviso is doing the carve out. It is on its reading of its own. Independents have nothing to do with this political party because their political party is entitled to reserve seats based on whatever it has won on its own steam. Now we come to the proviso, which creates a very special exception, as observed by my Lord Mr. Justice Muni also. By using these words, provided that for the purposes of this paragraph, this means only for this paragraph. We can't even take these principles and kind of extrapolate or import them into anything else. For the purposes of this paragraph only, the Constitution creates an exception and says, if an independent joins you in 3 days, you already have won something, you can add those independents to whatever you won. If an independent joins you on the 4th day and you've won something, tough luck. If 300 independents join you on the 4th day, no reserve seats for you. Those individuals will not be taken into the math for calculating the share of reserve seats. It's very, very clear. This, my lords, is my humble, plain reading of the constitutional text. It does not require a scholarly, creative interpretation because, to my mind, there is no anomaly or doubt in it so as to move towards some more advanced constitutional gymnastics. It does not ask for that, and whether we like it or not, this is what it says. If it is a bitter pill to swallow, it's a bitter pill to swallow. But it does not give room for these novel interpretations advanced on behalf of the appellant. Secondly, the appellant's interpretation requires reading in and implying into 51D, E, and 106. And at the same time, I will now, my lord, count how many subsections of section 104 in my humble submission have to be completely ignored as if they don't exist, read them down, pretend they don't apply. There's two formulations given. One is read it down, for which you have to first establish conflict with the constitutional provision or a fundamental right. I submit 51D and E are so clear, there is no conflict. Secondly, the first words in 51D and E, my lords, are in accordance with law, and then the rest follows. The in accordance with law is not at the end. It's in accordance with law, and then all of the rest of the Angrezi comes. The law is clearly the Elections Act and the Elections Rules, and I don't go on that because my Lord Mr. Justice Munib Akhtar has observed this, and I agree. So I'm not going into the rules at all.
In accordance with the law, section 104.
Sir, वो rule 92 कह देता है कि law का मतलब ये है the act and the rules.
104.
But अगर सर वो वहाँ पे ना भी लिखा हो, can anyone seriously say कि इस law का मतलब कुछ, it's the Stamp Act? No, it's these two laws. Third, they have not impugned the vires.
51D के बारे में आपने कहा कि it's a very literal interpretation, no need of any creative and progressive and whatever it may be. तो उसमें ये बात भी तो आपको बतानी पड़ेगी ना कि left over seat जो extra seats है वो इसमें कैसे
मैं आ जाऊंगा. That is my lady's question, and I will address it directly, and that's one question that my ladyship will feel I have answered. She may not like my answer, but I will answer it directly and head on, sir. In just a few minutes.
Question यही है ना, proportional representation system.
सर मैं उसी पे आ रहा हूँ.
जो सीटें आपने जीती उसका शेयर मिल गया, जो left over है वो फिर reallocate होती है.
नहीं सर, ये मैं clarify कर दूंगा. ये अभी, can I have just a few more minutes, and I'm grateful for the space I've. This is the most space I've got so far. Sir, and it's very nice. It feels good. It feels nice. Sir. 104 not impugned. In the High Court, impugned, rejected. Pleadings impugned. In oral submissions in the Supreme Court, specifically, completely a different position taken. Impugning section 104 dropped. Submission made, sir, in oral submissions ये कहते हैं.
नहीं, in the High Court was it impugned?
Yes, and the High Court gave a finding then that there's nothing.
But here they don't impugn it.
Here, my notes say that learned counsel for the appellant said, I don't need to impugn 104 his position is, and with utmost respect, I was a little bit confused because it seems kind of contradictory, but what my understanding of the position is, it's for the court to decide. With respect, I am not impugning this, the appellate's argument, according to my notes.
Yes.
I do not impugn 104 because I don't need to, because 104 does not apply to these particular circumstances. This is my understanding of their submission. I've summed it up. My response, Article 51, as I said, the opening part of the operative part says, in accordance with law. Let's just get rid of section 104 for a moment, sir. Ye nahi hai. Is Article 51 workable? Without this, I've just dropped this. This doesn't exist. Can Article 51D practically apply कर दे मेरे लिए बगैर 104 के?
नहीं, but इसके अंदर देखिए,
It's not possible. सर मैं आपने अगर खत्म कर दूं तो मैं आपको जवाब दे दूंगा, प्लीज सर. I beg you, sir. I beg you, please.
खत्म करने
I beg you, sir, please.
साथ सुनते भी जाएंगे.
सर मुझे इतनी स्पेस पहली दफा मिली है. I'm enjoying it. Just a few minutes of space, sir. I'm always happy to answer your questions, sir. I'm grateful for this special indulgence.
No, please,
sir,
continue.
Sir,
Abdullah, get ready.
Abdullah. Sir.
Hey, sorry, but if I may add, I empathize with any counsel standing there and arguing, and particularly before the full court. And there is always a chain of thought, and sometimes you get very mixed up.
Oh, it's happened to me many times.
Chale, please, chale. We also save time this way, chale, but that won't absolve you from subsequent.
Yes, I know. That's exactly what I thought when you said. छुट्टी तो बचोगे तो नहीं.
You were just trying to spread it out. Now you want it all at the end. Okay, your choice.
Sikandar Sahab, I think.
Sir, मैं ये answer कर दूं. Sir, मैं ये please
on a lighter note, I think the other councils were not treated differently.
Okay, sir.
They were treated probably.
Sir, I'm not getting into the debate, but I am in competition on who answers the most questions. I want to win that one. If not, the case is with my lords on a profession. Sir, I come back. So, Vairis has not been challenged. It's been expressly conceded or dropped, that argument. And that is
Got it, move it.
Next, I will now answer. So, sir, ye mere ho gaye that it flows from the Constitution, no repetition. Now I come to this issue of my ladyship's question and my lords and other, that there appears to the court, and the appellate seems convinced, that the allocations as made are inconsistent or contrary to the expression. अभी हम उस पे आ जाते हैं उसकी language पे. The expression is proportional representation system of political parties' lists of candidates. It's a bit of a mouthful, but I think ये जो मैंने पढ़ा है this is like one bunch, this whole thing. The proportional representation system, sir, you can't just stop here and take it in the vacuum.
Before you just mention this, can you just tell us a fact?
Sir.
Did PTI give a list of candidates?
Yes.
Abhi, I haven't. A question. Second question. Did Sunni Ittihad Council give a list?
Sunni Ittihad did not. They didn't contest election on their assembly.
Simple jawab. Actual jawab de dena, please.
Answer to question number one. Yes, PTI did, and the list I've asked for, it will be produced today before I complete.
No, SIC ने तो नहीं दी.
And answer to question number two, no.
तो उनका लेटर था ना, आपने कल पढ़वाया था कि मैं हमें
वो तो जॉइंट
कंटेस्ट नहीं कर रहे.
उन्होंने खुद ही कहा.
PTI को कोई आपने रिजर्व सीट्स दी?
जी.
PTI?
No, sir.
No,
not at all.
आपने नहीं दी?
No, not at all.
They contested.
Sir, now I come to the proportional.
Because Sikandar, in fact, the election commission excluded them from the election process on the basis of a judgment of this court. So, take that position. It's a very clear position. But if this court says or comes to the conclusion that the election commission had grossly misinterpreted that judgment, what would be the consequence?
Let that come in the judgment, my lord.
No, not the judgment.
It seems it's like that question is above my pay grade.
I am answer. Dekhe na, then read when you again and again are talking about the text of the Constitution. Read Article 17. It does not authorize you to exclude a political party from the electoral process. You have violated, speaking for myself, Article 17, and that is the text of the Constitution.
That's also the text. I agree with my lord to the extent that Article 17 is also in the text of the Constitution.
आगे बढ़े ना चले करें.
Sir, so on proportionality.
आपको कितना वक्त और लगेगा? 1-2 मिनट लगेंगे या
Much more than that.
We need to understand
Much more than that, sir.
तो अगर देखिए आप करें मगर फिर तारीख मेरे ख्याल में कर लें बिकॉज अब क्योंकि हम तो पहले कोशिश कर रहे थे खत्म करें आप.
सर नहीं ये तो मुझे
चलें फिर
because not for me sir there's a rebuttal and etc. So
अब आप लोग आपस में कोई डेट हम तयन कर सकते हैं.
Any date, I am.
तब वो मेरी कुछ.
My lord, this is a full court. I doubt if any counsel can say I have a prior commitment.
ये आपने लिस्ट जो दी है
ये
मंडे रख लें मंडे को
सर
11:30 बजे.
बिल्कुल
ठीक है. फ्राइडे को मुनासिब नहीं है.
सर मैं उससे पहले ये CMA फाइल कर
मंडे को जब आएंगे
वो आप डॉक्यूमेंट भी जो आप लाना
वो मैं आज
अगर आप हमें कल सबमिट कर लें
तो मैं अभी दे दूंगा मुझे
हमें दे दें मैं आ जाएगा.
अच्छा
आप जब भी करें
रीडर को दे दूंगा.
आप CMA की शेप में फाइल कर
मंडे को जब आप आएंगे.
मैंने एक्चुअली अभी उस तरह किया हुआ है सर. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग
उनको बुला
बिल्कुल एक पेटी सी रिक्वेस्ट के वो फिर CM नंबर लगेगा और
नहीं वो हम लगवाते हैं ना.
मैं कोर्ट एसोसिएट को हैंड कर दूंगा एंड 1 copy to my learned friend.
Yes, please do it now.
It will be done now.
एक चीज
why you ignoring the other learned friend?
I learned it.
Sir, give me 1 copy to 1 learned friend. There are 2 learned friends there.
One of my other
learned friends there.
My very learned.
Where spend some more money and give it to the other one also.
Sir, मैं थोड़े से पैसे खर्चता हूँ.
दीजिए उनको.
I have objection to his.
आप उनको दे दें प्लीज. ठीक है.
ये एक पॉइंट
आप इतना
I'll do it sir.
जब आप इतने ज्यादा बना रहे हैं तो 1-2 और बना दें. और इस तरफ भी दे दीजिए ना इनको ये अटॉर्नी जनरल को.
सारों को दे देंगे. इन्होंने 16 बनाई है.
अच्छा ठीक है. नहीं 16 चले
सर देखें ये
आज आप ऐसा करें मेरी वाली आज ना दें इनको तो दे.
नहीं सर मैं सारों को दे दूंगा.
बाद में मुझे दे दीजिए. मैंने आज नहीं पढ़ना है.
ठीक है. Before I leave the building they'll all have it.
Before मैं just one. मंडे को आएंगे. आपने जो हमें लिस्ट दी है इसमें बाज ऐसे हैं जो कि जिनने नॉमिनेशन
सीरियल नंबर मुझे दे दें ताकि मैं चेक.
नहीं इसमें नहीं है. अच्छा. लाइक यू गॉट बैरिस्टर गोहर अली खान एंड यू गॉट मिस्टर अयूब जिनका नाम इसमें नहीं है.
वो जो है
अब सुन लें. वो जिनने इनके अलावा डिक्लेरेशन दी हो और सर्टिफिकेट दी हो उनकी लिस्ट भी हमें
सारा कर लें. सारा
जो
चेक करता हूँ कि बिकॉज़ गौहर
प्लीज आप मत जैसे हमें लिस्ट में बता दें जो बाकी थे आप उनकी हमें दे दें. कौन कौन से कैंडिडेट्स थे जिनने डिक्लेरेशन दी और PTI की और साथ सर्टिफिकेट दिया PTI का. ठीक.
अगर आप सिकंदर साहब अगर ये आप मुझे पता है जल्दी में बनी अगर इसमें कोई गलती है तो आप उसको भी नए वाले में आराम
सर नहीं मैं
ये सही है.
ये मैंने कल खुद से बैठ के बनाई है. एंड सर एक I mean if I know the bench is very busy, this is what one package looks like of what I'm submitting, and those pages are a summary. My lords can pick any nomination paper and just go through it.
These are the 81 people that you're talking.
These are the 81 people, and my learned friends will have a copy, and I will leave 113 here. I'm not asking for any homework to be done by the bench, but this is there, and I can take my lords through it happily on Monday morning.
वो तो consequence है.
साहब ने किस पार्टी से
गौहर साहब जो हैं वो for I assume and perhaps for tactical reasons
अब जरा
गौहर साहब is not in PTI.
आप प्लीज ऐसे प्लीज स्टेटमेंट ना दें जब तक आपने डॉक्यूमेंट खुद नहीं देखे. इसीलिए हमने कहा